Students, let's continue Unit 5 of Moral Science, that is, Peace Blossoms in Human Heart. So, students of 8th class, we have already done brainstorming session, and I hope that you might have enjoyed questioning yourself regarding all these statements. And also, we understood about the violence against women. Very logically, we learned why should not we attack on women, and also the weaker section of the other weaker of the section of the society, that is the children, poor people. So stop violence against women, and stop violence against children, and stop violence against the poor people, because they're helpless physically and mentally and economically. So students, then we could understand what is peace. We learn the definition of peace, and also we try to understand where does peace blossoms. It blossoms from within the heart and mind of every individual. So once we have peace in our mind, we will spread peace everywhere. Then we understood that once we spread peace within ourselves, we can spread peace in the society. Then only society can be civilized. Otherwise, it is opposite to barbarian. Otherwise, we turn barbarian. Sorry, barbarians means what? They don't like peace. They always go for war, killing, and brutalizing everyone, whoever come on their way. But we are not like that. So, students, we should love peace. Both follow each other. Love follow peace, and peace follow love. And there is mercy also. Mercy comes from forgiveness. So, students, we have a story, beautiful story here. Peace lovers against war lovers. So, there is very logical story here. There were two types of people on the earth: peace lovers and war lovers. Peace lovers were fed up with the continuous fight, battles, and wars. They want to end all the crimes and live in peace. On the other side, war lovers never missed an opportunity to attack others. They never wanted peace. Finally, the peace lovers approached a very powerful wizard. So it's I had written the meaning here: man of magical power. So approached a very powerful wizard to stop all wars and bloodshed on the planet. The wizard agreed to help them. He destroyed. Sorry. When met. So wizard agreed to help them. He destroyed all weapons on the earth, so that nobody will be able to fight anymore. There was peace on the planet for 3 days. The war lovers looked for weapons, but they couldn't find. Finally, they made artificial spears with sticks and started to fight. The peace lovers were sad. They approached the wizard for a second time. So, wizard destroyed weapons, but they made artificial weapons. So, again they started fighting, but peace lovers were sad. Again they visited wizard. When the wizard heard the news, he said, "Do not worry. I will destroy all the trees and they will not be able to fight, because it is because of tree only the weapons, different tools and weapons are made. The visit destroyed all the trees. After 2 or 3 days of fruitless searching for trees, war lovers made knives and swords of metal. They again began to fight with them. The visit destroyed all metals on the planet. When metal was not available, war lovers made slings. That means to sharpen the stone. When the stone is sharpened, it becomes slings. Began to throw stones at each other. It was necessary to destroy the stones. And then peace lovers said, all trees have disappeared. There is no metal and stones. How to live? What to eat now? There will be no vegetation soon, and we will die without even fighting. No, this is wrong. This is the wrong solution of the problem. So, what was the first solution? Destroying the weapons. Second, destroying the trees. Third, destroying the stones which they used and made slings. So, these peace lovers thought that these all are wrong solutions. This is not so. Problem is not being solved. Wizard became confused. Then one clever boy said to the wizard, I know what you should do. Let people feel how others perceive their action. So, perceive means observe. Let people feel how others perceive their actions. If one person hurts someone, let him feel the same pain. If he brings joy to someone, let him feel the same joy. So no one will hurt each other because he will feel pain immediately too and would have to stop. So the visitor was convinced. He understood everything. Okay, so when we make happy others, we shall be happy. We should be happy. When we make fun of others, when we make we when we sadden others, make sorrowful others, we should be also sorrowful at the same time, automatically. So the wizard was convinced. He implemented this idea with his magical powers. Then he returned all trees, stones, and metals, and even weapons. Since that day, no one on the planet tried to hurt his neighbor because he would have to feel the same pain. People began to help each other because they liked the sense of joy they experienced, and they began to live in harmony and joy. Students, we have some of the questions here. Answer the following questions. Peace blossom in human hearts. So it is in the first paragraph. You can see this one, last 3 4 lines. And second answer is here. Second answer. Okay, students. So that these you have two questions. Now this thing you have to solve your own. Okay, how can we ensure